Hey guys, it's your boy Harriet, and it's Saturday. And you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Saturday's night's main event only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at the GL movie or the BL movie, Bigayan. So, sino magbibigayan? Tingnan natin. Okay. So, Bigayan looks like they're made by the same group guys na nasa Table for 3. So, may review ako ng Table for 3. And I think every month meron merong BL movie na i-feature yung yung BMX, yung Viva Max. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, this is Bigayan. It's a BL movie. It seems very harmless naman. Knowing na yung poster dito. Yeah, the harmless, yung sinabi kong when I meant harmless, that is in a sarcastic manner kasi yung poster nito, puro mga lalaki na nagkakalikan. Ayun. So it is a movie that is starring Mike Liwag and Jesse Ginto. So they are the stars. Jesse Ginto, I believe, was in Table for 3, so we might see him a lot. Parang siya yung ewan ko kung siya yung ini-establish na parang franchise player ng mga BL movie. Pero when it comes to BL movies, 2 for 2 na siya eh. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing, what you're watching, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Saturday night's main event only on Harriet. And yes, we are on the road to ilan na ba? Ilang subscribers na ba? 11,000 subscribers. 600 more. Mag-i-hit na tayo ng 11K. So yeah. This is a story about an orgy house that is hosted ni Kent, played by Mike Liwag, and Harvey, played by Jesse Ginto. So, ang story kasi dito is I don't know which is which, so sorry. Hold on a minute. Let me just double check para check my sources correctly. So, yung storya nito kasi is they are a couple for 7 years. And once those 7 years, nagtagal, syempre, relationship starts to soar. Pero nag-start yung 7 years of relationship na to into one of the parang weird way to start a relationship is because they met at an orgy. So, kung di mo alam ano yung orgy, this is a multi-people sex thing. Okay, sex encounter. So this is where the relationship started. And one of these men, I don't know, nakalimutan ko sino yung Okay? Nakalimutan ko sino yung mahilig sa orgy. One of these men mahilig sa orgy, and one of these gay dudes wants it to keep it real. Yung parang, ayoko na ayaw na niya, gano'n. Yun yung point yun yung point of conflict dito. Sa samahan nila, yung isa gusto exclusive relationship, and yung isa is mauwi na lang sa forever orgy. Okay, mas na-enjoy niya yung orgy kaysa sa isang exclusive relationship. That is basically the conflict of the story. So, it's only 44 minutes long. So, there's no complexity with the story. It's just that nag-aaway sila on their ordeals that their 7-year relationship is being questioned kasi they only do orgies in the meantime. Tinanong pa nga dito, kailan yung huling siya nakipagtalik na isa lang. And the reason kasi, kaya mas gusto ni nung isa na may katalik na siya lang, is he is having fun. And it is, parang nasasabi tuloy, Now he's not having fun with his partner. They're in an open relationship for 7 years, and this is what he is getting from all of this, okay? And it frustrates him. And yung mga inner challenges dito is being explored. When it comes to the mature scenes, napaka-gratuitous ito. I've said nga dito a million times sa review na to, this is a boys love movie. It's full of hot naked men, and this is how VMX is trying to expand their parang reach. Okay? Hindi na puro girl to girl, hindi na puro opposites attract. And this is one of their experimental films. Now, will I even say that this movie is hot or worth watching? Uh, yes and no. I believe na compared to Table for Three, which is absolutely a good movie, this one fell flat for me. Kasi medyo basic yung kanyang kwento, okay? Isa gusto lang makipagtalik sa marami, that keep the open relationship, and yung isa is just want to keep it exclusive na. To the point na nagkaroon ng off-limits na sign para mapigilan yung mga orgy na nangyayari. Yeah, this is the conflict just revolves around the two plots. Pero in the end naman, sa dulo ng pelikula na to, they settled their differences and we are treated to isang mahabang sex scene ng magjowa si Harvey at si Kent Harvey. And I think it ends with the exclusivity. That's how I interpret it. Naging exclusive na yung relationship nila. Will the other guy accept yung sanay sa orgy? He will try, pero I think love conquers all. And that's a moral of the story. And ayun. So Bigayan, very short film, very basic plotline. I'm just gonna give it just about bearable sa ating rankings. If you like BL movies, sure, give it a watch, but I guarantee you, hindi ito yung mga paulit-ulit nyo. Okay, so I apologize on the delay of the content. I've been in a recent production migration sa aking project. Di pa nga tapos, may nadagdag pa nga sa Lunes, pero light load na lang ako. So I did some load management. And the bold reviews will be coming at a regular pace until February 28 when the Viva Max content blackout begins. Kasi ako ay lalahok sa Santa Cena. Yun yung pang-aayuno ko, bawal muna. So yeah, there will be another review tomorrow. It is online selling. That was released last Friday, so we're reviewing this. Bigayan was released last year, only on the BMX platform publicly, or yung hindi BMX Plus this Tuesday. So yeah, the final rating just about bearable. And then we got Wow Mane this Tuesday, and then sa Friday ata is Tokyo Nights. I'm looking forward to Tokyo Nights. They got Watanabe, pero bagong Watanabe, hindi si Isa. And they also got Alessandra Cruz there in Tokyo. So will it flop like Japino or Hosto? Yeah, did. But yeah, online selling tomorrow, Sunday. This is it. I think this is it. Naka 8 minutes ako. Yeah. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bye.